Hello, my little artist. Welcome to the Magical Art with Ananya. So, today we are going to draw a cow. So, let's quickly learn. Grab your pencil and your drawing book and let's start. So, first you will make one oval and then you have to write one inverted U on the top of that. Very simple, right? Let's make the nose and the mouth of the cow, the eyebrows. Let's add two circles for the eyes. Let's add two eyeballs, and the cute face of the cow is ready. Let's add the horns for the cow. Let's make some designs on it. Then let's add two cute ears for the cow. Now we have to make the body. We'll make the body with some arc, and then let's add the legs of the cow has four legs, correct? So we'll add four legs for the cow. Then we'll add a cute tail for the cow. So let's make some designs on the body of the cow. So after you have made designs on the body of the cow, your drawing is almost ready, but the cow should be standing somewhere and eating grass, right? So you can add that too. So you can color your cow with beautiful colors, and the grass should be green in color, and the cow's face and the tail should be same as the body color. Let's add some clouds and let's complete the picture. So just color the cow and it should look beautiful and bright. What you need to do next? You need to like, share and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya for more such content.